Today for the Bitcoin and crypto prices. Dear ladies and gentlemen, I have some crazy news for you if you are holding any Bitcoin or crypto today. Let's get straight into the content. Dear ladies and gentlemen, smash up the like button to an absolute new all-time high as Bitcoin is hitting a new all-time high just today and yesterday. Let's talk about Bitcoin, let's talk about crypto, let's talk about my multi-million US dollar trades, which yes, they are still going on over here on Bybit, as you can see. Let me show you. Boom, there you go. You have two very risky altcoin trades, of course, here, but of course Ethereum and the Bitcoin trade, they are still going on. And of course today I want to talk about what are the next pit stops for Bitcoin, what exact price levels are we looking out for, what can we expect right now, and where I am going to take my next profits on these trades, how I will rule this market trading wise. Let's talk about that. I am coming here to you from the water. I was driving here to a random beach with my surfboard. By the way, not too random, because this is the villa I lived in just 3 years ago and I thought I will visit it. But anyways, let's talk about it. Let's talk about what's happening for crypto. And of course, again, not only smash up the new the all-time high on the likes, but please, dear ladies and gentlemen, it is quite important that you leave your feedback in the comment section, as I'm using this feedback actually to know you want more of these videos. You want me to talk about altcoins. About what altcoins do you want me to talk about? But of course, now we talk about Bitcoin first, but altcoins are going to come. The altcoin content is around the corner, because now is the time. Finally, before I'm going into it and before I'm talking about my exact price levels for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, for altcoins and so on, before we are doing that, I wanted to show you one more thing, because many people were asking me, Chris, like whatever it might be, I don't want to KYC on this or that exchange, or I can't use this or that exchange to trade Bitcoin, to trade altcoins in my jurisdiction, whether it's the United States, Germany or whatever, or you just want a new, very easy to use exchange. I did search for ages and I finally found potentially an exchange which serves people with no KYC, and no matter where you are from, you can trade from there. I will leave you the link down below. It's called Bitunix. And it is actually quite big already, one of the biggest ones in terms of liquidity. If you click the link, you see not only this deposit bonus schedule, exactly the promises, what you have to deposit to get what bonus, but no, easily you click the link and you click sign up. It takes like 30-40 seconds or so. Then you type in your email address, your password, and that's basically it. Then you have your account, and after your initial deposit, you see the deposit schedule down below. You can claim these free bonuses, and no matter whether you are in the United States or Germany or wherever you are, you can trade there. So the link is down below. Still, it is only for experienced trader, but finally, it doesn't matter where you're coming from. And finally, if you are not a big fan of KYC, this is for you. I wanted to leave you as a second option to Bybit, of course, which I still love, I still use, and I'm still trading on. As you can see here right now, my Bitcoin trade and my Ethereum trade both together, almost 12 million US dollars in a profit. And now the question is, Chris, when are you finally going to take the next profits? Well, let's zoom out here, because what I think right now is a very interesting tool to use is this Fibonacci extension level, where you are going from the bottom all the way to the top. Let me show you, dear ladies and gentlemen, from the bottom all the way to the top. And then it is printing us the next very important areas of interest, which now, after breaking the all-time high, we need to close the weekly candle outside. But the next pit stop will be 85,000 US dollars, as I've been mentioning it for months right now. And yes, I know everyone is waiting for it, but one after another. But in the end of the day, of course, the golden extension level here at 102,000 US dollars would be the target to come afterwards. A target which I think, if we are closing a weekly candle actually this week above the previous all-time high, I think 100,000 are even possible within that year. Call me crazy. Let's see how it ends. Thank you so much for watching, dear ladies and gentlemen, and we are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye.